Hello. This is Sterling Maths and Programming. In our previous video on XAMPP, we handled or we tackled a particular XAMPP error. Today, I want to do installation of XAMPP from scratch, and I think it's something that we have to share with others. So we'll go straight away. Go to Google and then type XAMPP, and then press our Enter key. You have these options there. So when you click on this, it opens to another window for you. You should take note of this, the PHP version. Some PHP version don't work well with some programs, so we take note of this. We have other versions too if you have Linux, but we are working Windows, so we want to download with the Windows version. So we click on this to do the download. The download has started. Here down there you see your download started. So after some time this will be downloaded. Let's see it's downloaded, and then from there we can install it. So we have our download here. Double click it to do the installation. So when you do that, the installation will run. Okay, so we have this. So we go through, we click on next, and then next, and everything will be installed. So when you go next, your program, the example will be installed, and after everything, then we have to run it. So let's go next. I think we have an issue there. Okay, so you take note of this, the UAC. Take note of this and correct it after the installation. And from there you go next. And then you so we have our XAMPP folder there. If it gives you an error again, then you go to your XAMPP folder, change the file path, or you rename the folder to a new name, then the new one can take over. Our XAMPP is now installed, and let's see how we can run it from the control panel. So the control panel is where you control your Apache, your MySQL. So we have our XAMPP control panel now. You can start it here. You start boot, and then we can check whether our Apache is working. You can also check whether MySQL is working. So we have our Apache working here. Apache is working, and then PHP is working. So we can create databases here if you want to create a database, but I think that will do for another video. You want to create a database, create tables on the database, you go through a process and have them created. But for now we'll end here. So our XAMPP Apache is working, our PHP is working. Thank you. You are encouraged to click on subscribe so that anytime I have new video you receive notification.